Here we have the sauce. It's about 40 minutes later because I did some other stuff, let it cook for a while. I've taken the bay leaf out because I'm actually going to puree it with the stick blender. You don't have to puree it, it just, for this particular thing, it makes it a bit nicer. Be careful that you don't lift the blender out while it's on, because you do not want to end up burning yourself. Okay, so it's mostly smooth. It has gone a deeper red, richer color. I will